Greetings everyone, on board with Jonathan. New video here for you today. In at Pelican Bay here in Naples, Florida. This is a, I guess, different kind of video for you. This is a 2 double bed room here at the inn. Kind of new for me. I usually stay within Hilton branded properties, as I do work for Hilton, and we get pretty decent discounts when we travel. So we have the 2 beds over here. It looks like I got a really nice view, right? And a balcony overlooking, it looks like some water over here. It looks like the pool and a lake. Go out. Pan around for you over here. Nice chairs, sitting area. I'm gonna close the door. It's very, very hot out. All right. Nice desk area over here. Has some charging capabilities if you need to charge any of your devices. There's also even, look at that, for some USBs, phone, some extra charges if you like some water, some wine, some champagne. Coffee is provided, Keurig machine, and you have the different coffees. Nice size TV over here. Let's see what else we have. What else do we got in here? We have a refrigerator. Some storage. Check, just let's see how the drawers are. Yeah, they look good. Nice and clean, right? No mold. Yeah, it looks good. Pan around for the room over here. Some double beds. Well, I would have appreciated at least a king or queen. This is what was available. I booked today at Capital One with your credit card. There's certain, you get percentages back when you travel. So this is the only thing that they have. It definitely has a Florida theme to it. There's a nice photo over there. The lamp is interesting. What is this over here? The inn at Pelican Bay, Naples, Florida. Is interesting. Okay, very nice. Let's go and check out the bathroom. All right, we have a nice vanity outside the bathroom. What do we have? We have nice lotion, shower cap, soap, makeup remover kit, grooming kit. I'll put this down. Plant. Some closets in here. What do we have in here? A nice bathrobe. Ironing board. There's some extra sheets. I'm assuming some pillows in here. What's this? Handheld steamer. Very nice. You have a safe if you need to put anything away. Very nice. Self-explanatory. You have a scale. I will not be using that. Another bathrobe. Very, very loud exhaust fan. I like the tile. Very nice. And then we have a shower right over here. Very nice. And you got a nice different types of shower heads. And they provide you, Tommy Bahama. I don't think I've ever seen that before. You have shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Nice, very nice. So this is the inn at Pelican Bay in Naples, Florida. I checked in literally right now with you. So I have just gotten into the room under 4 minutes and 21 seconds ago. So I'll let you know how the stay goes and if I could recommend this hotel to you at the end of my stay tomorrow. And I'll give a brief review of my stay. Breakfast is included during your stay. So if you're staying here, breakfast is included. Different types of offerings based on the season that we're in. I think they include more during the winter season, which would be like January through April. And now we're actually May through the other part of the year. So I'll let you know how breakfast is. They did say that the bar was opening at 4, but they don't provide any food, so that was a little disappointing considering the price point. This was $303 a night. So this was quite expensive. This is Memorial Day weekend, but this is supposedly a number one rated TripAdvisor within the US, and also it is a 4-diamond hotel within the rankings of this 4-diamond scale. So I'll let you know how the hotel is. Obviously I work in hotels, so I'm gonna be a little bit more critical than most, but the beds do look a little small, but they do look comfortable. And I look forward to giving you a comprehensive review tomorrow. Yeah, so this is the room here, 2 double beds overlooking, as you saw in the beginning, this is some sort of water. I don't know if it's a lake or pond, and then we have the pool right over here. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take a tour of the hotel, and whatever I could show you, I'll definitely bring you along on this journey. But yeah, something a little bit different today. I do cruises and talk about cruises and travel, but I took you along with me on this quick overnight trip to Naples, Florida on Memorial Day weekend, May of 2024. So if I could ask you so much to like, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a safe and relaxing Memorial Day weekend. This is On Board with Jonathan now.